Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to convert text prompts into illustrations with Recraft AI. Let's get started. First, download Recraft AI from Play Store or App Store. Then open the app and sign in or log in using your Google app, Apple, or email. Then here, tap Create or New Image in the app. Choose between raster, which is a detailed art, or vector, a clean lines and SVG support. Then here, enter your prompt. In the text field, type your scene. Like for this example here, a cute panda sitting under a cherry blossom tree pastel style. You need to be clear and descriptive for the better result. Then here, select a style. Choose a preset from the options like illustration, 3D, watercolor, hard flush, and more. And for vector work, select vector or SVG format. Then here tap Generate, and app will create multiple variations, usually four. Then swipe through result to find your favorite. And here you can customize and edit and export your design. Tap Download or Export, then here you can choose your format. And pro tip, you can use vector style, prefer a raster presets, and generate set of images in the same style for cohesive branding. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.